Hello, in this video I want to show you the few tricks you might not know that exist for a camera on Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So the first one is a camera burst shot. Hold the shutter button and that way you'll be able to take a burst shot. And that means you can take a lot of photos by just holding this button. Next is that you can press somewhere on the screen to take your photos and not exactly the shutter. As you can see, I'm taking pictures by just pressing, and to do this simply open your settings. Here go for the photos, or actually it's in the capture settings, and you can enable tap anywhere to capture. While we here, make sure to disable this setting for the other one, and this one, if you press somewhere on the screen, it will focus on a specific object, and you can change the brightness here as well. Open the settings to get to the capture settings again, and right here enable the leveler. It allows you to take stable photos if you want, so place your phone on something stable, and as you can see it just stabilized, and we can take a photo. And when your photos are stable, it's more pleasant for the eye, so you can use that setting to just improve your image quality. Now go for the save settings and enable the location. Here you will need to also allow location service for the camera app, and right here if we take a photos and check them in our gallery and information, we can see the location on our maps on where we took this photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.